Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with our next training topic. In this particular training session, we'll talk about the package splitter. Basically, what is a package splitter and why we need to split the packages into smaller parts, and during what stage of an export or an OSDB migration we use this feature. Okay, so let's get into it. So basically, you can see the processing unit for one unload or load process is a package. So the way the loading unloading happens, it's happening in a package. So all the tables are grouped together in packages, and during the standard system copy process, what happens is that all tables of the SAP systems are grouped into packages, and all tables with the same data class belongs to the same package. The packages differ in the name and size of contained tables, resulting in various unload or load runtimes. So creating packages of the same size can reduce the overall runtime. To create packages of the same size and runtime, split the default packages into smaller segments. You must perform the table splitting preparation by splitting the larger tables to parallelize more R3 load processes. So why we do this package splitting? Because what happens is that there are some tables which are very large. Say for example, if your database size is say 600 gig, and there are chances that you may have a table which itself is 300 gig. So in that case, what will happen is that all the packages are finished, and this package will keeps on running for ages. It may run for, say, your entire process takes 12 hours. So this package itself runs for almost 10 hours. So in that case, what happens is that it is not able to utilize the parallelism which is available. You have so many processes running in the system, but this package will bind to just one processor only, because it's one package, it's using one R3 load process. It won't be able to use the full capacity of the system. So so to avoid this type of situations, we identify the very large tables and we split them so that those packages becomes of almost the same size as any other package. So here you can see that this is a screen which is showing you how you want to split. Basically, you can see that larger tables in separate package, number of tables to be extracted, split packages with size more than the limit, package size limit, extract tables with size more than the limit, table size limit. Okay, so and table input file. Basically, if you have already identified the tables, you can put them here and those tables will be split. Okay, so package splitter, basically it offers the following options that you can set in the corresponding export dialog of SAP INST. Package splitter is part of the software provisioning manager as well as of part of SAP INST itself. It reduces the runtime of export and import by distributing packages from existing structure file. Package splitting by default is activated, but we need to define them. Okay, what are the parameters we are looking at for the package splitting? Package splitting can be used for splitting the following, basically for the str and ext file, tsk files, whr files with where clause. Okay, now let's see the different parameters that we had seen in the GUI screen. Number of tables to be extracted. This defines how many of the largest tables of each package will be extracted. By default, this value is 1. As some packages might contain many tables, you might want to increase this value. Okay, package size limit. This parameter defines the maximum size of the str package comprising tables. In case the size should be above this limit, package will be split. Okay, table size limit. This parameter defines the maximum table size. If a table should be larger if it gets extracted from the str file. Default value is 300 MB. Split predefined tables. Optionally, specify a file containing tables that you want to get split into several pieces. As soon as the split of one split part has finished, the target side can already start processing. Okay, the best way to find the optimum of these parameters is to run the migration test and afterward analyze them using the migration tool. Okay, so here you can see if we want to do it command line, how we want to execute this. Okay, this is actually a screen which is actually the export screen. After export preparation that we have seen here is the table splitting preparation screen. Okay, just click on that screen and it will just follow the prompts and it will split the packages. Okay, so basically it will ask the information like SAP SID, files with table to be split, export directory, number of parallel R3TA run, database type. Select the table splitter option. This option for the migration is R3TA table splitter. Type the name of WHR file for each table. The table splitting preparation is successfully completed. So basically we have seen that why we need to split the package and why it is extremely important to split the packages to reduce the downtime, because to optimize or to optimally use the system resources within the system, it is extremely important that we split the packages. Okay, that's all pretty much I wanted to cover in this particular training session. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.